the Porn Star Martini, a cocktail with a provocative name and an irresistible taste. This summertime favorite has taken the drink world by storm, and for good reason. At its core, the Porn Star Martini is a delightful blend of vanilla vodka, passion fruit, and bubbles. The vanilla vodka provides a subtle sweetness, while passion fruit puree and liqueur add a tropical tang. Fresh lime juice balances the sweetness, and a touch of simple syrup rounds out the flavors. The drink is typically served with a side of Prosecco, adding a sparkling element to the experience. Creating this cocktail is a bit like a seductive dance. Start by filling a cocktail shaker with ice. Add 2 ounces of vanilla vodka, 1 ounce each of passion fruit liqueur and puree, and ½ ounce each of fresh lime juice and simple syrup. Now, channel your inner bartender and shake vigorously for about 20 seconds until the shaker is frosty cold. This vigorous shaking is crucial for achieving the signature frothy top that makes this drink so visually appealing. Pour the mixture into a coupe or wine glass and garnish with a slice of fresh passion fruit if available. The traditional serving includes a shot of Prosecco on the side, which can either be sipped separately to cleanse the palate or poured directly into the cocktail for added fizz. Despite its name, the Porn Star Martini has nothing to do with adult films. It was created in 2002 by London bartender Douglas Ankra, who drew inspiration from a trip to South Africa. The name references the passion fruit, which is often considered an aphrodisiac. This cocktail is incredibly versatile. Feel free to experiment with different tropical fruit purees, like mango or pineapple, for your own unique twist. The key is maintaining the balance between sweet, tart, and bubbly. The Porn Star Martini embodies summer in a glass, refreshing, fruity, and just a bit naughty. Its popularity continues to grow, making it a must-try cocktail for those hot, thirsty summer days. So, next time you're in the mood for something special, give this tantalizing drink a try. You might just find yourself wanting another one.